So welcome to TAVAcademy video on how to become a teacher. One, start with the prerequisites, which is how will teachers make videos, lecture videos for TAVA or TAVAcademy. So this is the prerequisite, what they would need to have for them to be able to make videos for us. So you need to have a laptop. That's very important, because for you to be able to upload your videos, it's more user friendly to use a laptop. They need to have a headset with a microphone, which is what I'm using now to make the video. It makes the sound comes out well, and also a graphic tablet. You could see all these writings I did here were enabled by the use of a graphic tablet, and lecturing with writing explanations drives in more understanding than just coming to read slides for your students. So you need to buy a graphic tablet. I think the price of this one should be around 37k. That's in naira, 37,000 naira. Any laptop will do, and the headset should be around 7k or 5 to 7k. The last I bought was around 6k or so. So with 37k you could get a graphic tablet. The one I use is Inspiro H950p. Then you need a software, like the software I am currently using to do this screen record that's making this thing show now, or that's making the video for me now. It's OBS Studio. So you can download OBS Studio for Windows or for Mac, depending on what system you're using. And you also need a whiteboard app. Like this whiteboard app I'm using is called a Bamboo Paper. So I like a Bamboo Paper. It's kind of user friendly for me. It helps me to even have folders for different courses. But there's also S-Note for those that will be using a tablet. You can use a laptop and you could use a tablet too. So if you want to use a tablet to make the video, a Samsung tab, S-Note is actually inbuilt most times into a Samsung tab. So you could use an S-Note, or you could also use a Microsoft whiteboard. This is a Microsoft whiteboard here, and this is S-Note here. And also you could use Microsoft PowerPoint if you want to present slides. So these are the prerequisites, what you need to have to be able to get to make a lecture video. This is free. You can download it free. These apps are free to download too. This is just what you spend money on. If you don't already have a laptop, you can spend money on a laptop too. So what are the steps to creating a video? The steps, it's loading. Okay, so steps to making a lecture or video. First, you need to prepare your lecture slides. This is very necessary, because if you don't prepare your slides, your videos might be lengthy and you'll be jumping from one thing to another. It won't be so arranged, and you might not be able to pass on what you want to properly. So screen record your teaching activity, like I'm doing now. I'm screen recording this teaching activity. Then once I'm done, I'm going to edit the video with UCut. I like to use UCut. It's more user friendly for me, but there are other video editors also available. You could use your phone to do it. I edit with my phone majorly, but if you want to edit, I think OBS Studio 2 has an editing part, but I don't know how to use it, so I use UCut. Then once you're done with editing your videos and you see it's up to date, so you could upload your videos to Google Drive. I use Google Drive and not YouTube, because people like me know how to download videos from YouTube, just to copy the URL and go to savefrom.net. But videos on Google Drive are not easy to download, because you actually prevent download on your Google Drive. So you ensure they are not downloadable and set the link to be accessible to anyone. So once you set the link to be accessible to anyone, so the videos can be viewed on the website. So once you've uploaded the video on Google Drive, you ensure they are not downloadable. I'll show us all this practically. Then the next thing is now to embed your lecture videos to www.tavacademy.online. That's on your instructor page. I'll teach you guys how to do that. So this is just the prerequisite. So get those gadgets ready and then follow the steps to make a video for Tava. Thank you very much.